Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to make moving objects in Geometry Dash. So the first step is to simply go on and add your objects. I'm going to go on and add my objects, and after that you'll have to simply tap on swipe, and then you'll have to simply select all of them. So let me remove this, go to edit, and then select swipe and select these, and then tap on edit group. And then here you'll have to add group 1. After that, you'll have to simply go on and go to build, then go to color, and then here you have to simply tap on move and place it wherever you want. And after that, you'll have to simply tap on edit object. And if you want to move from right to left, you'll have to simply play around with this slider here, move X. Or if you want to make your object move up and down, play around with this slider here. So if it's minus, it's gonna go down. If it's above, it's gonna go up basically. After that, you'll have to simply make sure to where it says target group ID, simply make sure to choose 1 and then tap OK. And basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, it works. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.